Welcome again, and let me show you how we can create an activity, but not using the faster way. Okay, just to understand more concepts, and probably I think it's a regular question. Okay, when we are trying to start in Android. So let's move to the package inside when we have the code. Okay, where we have the code. So new, and I select calling class. You can select the name. Okay, I will put a other class. Okay, like I said before, I don't have to do too much imagination, so let me put this name, and let's put other class. Okay, yeah, and now we have an activity. No, this is a class. Okay, so remember, if you want to use the activity, we need this one. Okay, we need to use this class, and I can copy that. I can put here. Okay, and if you see, the import is automatic. Okay, it's a very good feature from Android Studio. And now we have the project here, but if you see, we have a detail. We don't have the onCreate. Okay, the onCreate here is very easy because I can do that. If you see, we have the onCreate. We have a different versions. Okay, but I will use this one. Let me copy that, but no, I don't have this one. Okay, I will use this one. Okay, but let me delete this one. Just the bundle. Okay, and let's delete the persistent state. Okay, and you see, it's okay. We have the override found here. Okay, that's correct. If you see here, we have this one, but I will want to use the super the same at the beginning. Like I said before, for now we don't have to worry. We have it. Okay, and now we need to define the set content view, but we have a detail here. Okay, if I put set content view, we need a view. Okay, and we don't have the view, and actually we can use the same view. Okay, that's the other thing. If you can use the same second view. Let me show you. Okay, here. Okay, if you see one activity, okay, we have three activities: the main activity, the other class, and second activity. Okay, the other class is using the same layout, and it's correct because if we understand the concept of activity, that's the point. That's why you need to understand the concept, not just copy the code. Okay, that's my definition. If you see, we have set content view, and we have this one. Okay, the rule is, if you define the set content view, you need to put a layout. Okay, that's correct. We are using another layout, but we are using the same layout from the second layout, and it's correct. We don't have any problem. Okay, because we are using the rule. Okay, and the rule is correct. So in this case, if you see, and if I see this activity, okay, you will see the same layout. Okay, the same interface. And one more thing. Okay, remember, at the end you always need to add the activity here. So in this moment, the activity other class, okay, is not correct. Is the definition, it's okay, but you need one more step, like I say in the last video. Okay, we need to define this on the application. Okay, this is the application configuration. Okay, so let's add this one. It's very easy. If you see here, I can add manually, and I will put here other class. If you see, Android recognize this, and I just need to put that. And this is the way to do that. Maybe it's slow, but I know it's a good way to try to understand and explain you the concepts. And for example, if we want to change the name of this class because we have an error, or I don't know, something else, you don't have any problem. You can change the name. For example, I use other class. I will use now other activity. Okay, and just save. Okay, if you see, I have the name. The problem here is just the Kitty file. I will rename this one. You can rename the files. Let me show you. Rename. refactor, rename. Yeah, rename file. Let me show you. Okay, I will put other activity. Okay, and that's all. Refactor. This one. This you can see now it looks very similar. So now we have other activity. That's correct. And we have a new activity in our project. For now, we have 3 activities, and we are using the same layout in both. But if you want to add, you want to create the layout, well, you don't have any problem. You can go here and just add the file, okay? And well, like if you want to have homework, for example, if you want to practice, well, my recommendation for this chapter is, well, try to add the layout for you by yourself, and please change the layout here in the we are in the other activity. Yeah, change this one for the new layout. Okay, and well, thank you so much for your time, and let's continue with this course.